everyone. Sorry I've been missing. This past year kind of royally sucked. I don't want to get too far into it. I know lots of people had a really awful year. We just happened to have a devastating year. But I got my FabFitFun box and I wanted to go ahead and open it. So I just wanted to record it like I do every season. So here we are. If you're new, my name is Natalie. I go by Natty. Welcome. And let's just get into it. I haven't looked at all what's in here. FabFitFun now lets you customize like 4 options if you're a seasonal member. But you do those like a month in advance. So really I don't remember what I picked. So it's all a surprise to me. So the packaging has changed. The box is a little bit smaller now, which is pretty good for environmental reasons, and there isn't a whole lot of extra unnecessary stuff. So as usual, I always get $15 off to refer someone. I haven't yet found anybody to give it to because the people that I can think of already have it. So yeah, then the little magazine that tells you a little bit about the products, and it has some extra info on here. It looks like this one has some recipes for fall. And so let's get into it. So I have another HelloFresh. I have yet to try this, and actually one of my friends just gave me a bunch of HelloFresh cards. So we'll see if we can get something. We also have a $60 credit to Bright Cellars for wine. All right, so let's see what all is in here. So the first thing I see is this Zoe Isla. I hope I'm saying that right. The eco-friendly comb set. Like that. It's taped, so I won't open it just yet, but it's cool. Then we have a Pearlie's. This is a pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. Cool. So you can use it in oily combination, normal, or sensitive skin. Gently detoxifies pores, clarifies, brightens, and exfoliates and purifies. So I'll be interested to try this out and see if I like it. Right now I've just been using oils, and that has helped with my dry skin. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, it looks like this. It's got little pumpkins all over. Then we've got the boot socks. I remember these. I did pick these. I did want some boot socks. And these are a bamboo blend from Fry. So I'm excited. They're just gray, and there's a black pair as well. So pretty neutral. Then we have, okay. So this one I don't know if I will keep. I've been meaning to try this brand, but it's the Pattern Hair Gel. I don't know if I will keep it though, because I believe this gel has a coconut oil, and my hair does not take coconut oil well. So I think I will try and maybe wash my hair today. I have to wash it. And I'll try this out and see how I like it. My hair is very, very fine. So any heavy oils like coconut oil, it just does not like. So we'll see. I might research this more before I try it and then decide. But it's a pretty decent bottle. Online they look small, but it's a 9.8 fluid ounce. So, and this is also a Black owned brand if you're interested in trying them out. Then we have, I'm excited for this. This tape has stuck to everything. But a little Coach bag. I'm pretty sure this is the earring and like pendant set. I've gotten jewelry from FabFitFun before, but it's usually just one item. And I have a lot of jewelry that like doesn't match, which is really frustrating because I like my jewelry to match. I like to wear like sets. So I'm excited for this one. It has the little necklace, I think, and the earrings. So I'm excited to wear that. And it looks like it's rose gold. So pretty. I love it. And it's kind of dainty, so it's not like overwhelming. You can wear it all the time. You can wear it for work or casual. Love it. All right. Let's see what else we have. There's a few more things in here. So, Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. Ooh. This is the perfect time. I'm always stealing my husband's chapstick because I never have lip balm. I just have like a lip mask, but I cannot like keep track of my lip balms. I lose them all the time, and he ends up like keeping his chapstick until he uses it up. So I'm excited to try this. It's Dr. Rogers Restore. I've never heard of this brand either, so I'm excited to try this. Actually, let's just try it now. My chaps are lipped. My lips are chapped. It doesn't really smell like anything, so if you're sensitive to scents, this is perfect. Feels nice, not too oily, not too sticky or anything. Okay, it looks like we also have an eyelash curler. These I have a love-hate relationship with because I love how my eyelashes look after I curl them. However, I inevitably always get my lid. I don't know. Have you guys had that problem? Like you just smush your lid in there? Just me? Okay. So the last thing I am also excited about, but this is the black battery-powered toothbrush. And it comes, I think, with 2 replacement heads. So this is awesome to clean your teeth, and it's supposed to kind of whiten them. You can use it with their whitening toothpaste or just the regular toothpaste. So I'm excited to try this out. So anyways, that's pretty much all I got. If you guys get a box, let me know what you got this time around. I love to hear what everybody else got. There are several options, so let me know. See you later. Bye.